Okay, so here's the first example video for partial fractions. So here we're asked to evaluate this integral, a rational function, using partial fractions. So what do we always do with partial fractions? Take this fraction, x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and we break it up into its components. We guess it's going to be a over x plus 1 plus b over 2x minus 1. Okay, and then just like before in the previous video, we clear out all the fractions, multiply everything by x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. On the left-hand side, I get x plus 7. And on the right-hand side, I get a, x plus 1's cancel, a times 2x minus 1, and then these cancel here, so I get b times x plus 1. Now I'll expand my parentheses. 2ax minus a plus bx plus b. And then just like before, I'll group everything together that matches on this side. X plus 7 equals 2a, here's my x terms, and then plus, or sorry, minus a plus b. So there's my constant terms, there's my x terms. Now I can just match it up. I've got two linear equations on each side. They're the same, so I better have their coefficients the same. So in other words, here's the coefficients of x, plus b, is 1, and then negative a plus b equals 7. Now it's just a system I can solve. I'm going to probably subtract these equations because that'll get rid of the b. 2a minus negative a, that's 3a, and 1 minus 7 is negative 6, so I get a is negative 2. And then I can just sub this in here. I'll sub it into the first one. 2 times a is negative 4, plus b equals 1, and then I get b equals 5. So a is negative 2, and b is 5. I'll sub these back in here. A is negative 2, and b is 5. So if I need to do the integral of this, I've now simplified it a ton. Now I can actually do that. So I'm going to actually rewrite the whole thing just so I can keep track. The integral of x plus 7 over x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. This is what we were trying to do. Equals, and I can instead integrate this. Negative 2 over x plus 1 plus 5 over 2x plus 1. Now these are really, really easy integrals. The first one's just minus 2 ln x plus 1. And then the second one's really easy too, but you just have to be a little careful. The 5 comes out. But if I do, I'm going to write this in red here. If I do the integral of 1 over 2x plus 1, you have to remember this is an ln, but it's a linear function instead. So you can either just know that you have to bring out a 1/2, or if it helps you, do the u substitution. You would let u equal 2x plus 1, du equal 2 dx, and then I would throw the 2 dx there, and then get rid of it. So there's my 1/2 integral 1 over u du, and that's 1/2. That's just ln. So either way, however you want to think about it. And so there's actually the end of the integral. That's the whole thing. Put my plus c here, and I'm done.